Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup, of course, likes to buy makeup. Who doesn't? If you're like, yeah, you know, it's makeup addict. And of course, you've been here before. Welcome back. Today's video is trying a new brand. It's called With Memories. I got this in Amazon. The truth is, I did an Amazon haul on camera and everything else. And of course, everything went to crap because, yeah, the audio was sucky. I got a microphone and that goes with this camera that I have, but it does not work anymore. It sucks and everything else. But yeah, what doesn't? Actually, hopefully, I already tested this out, so this is not really a first impression. But for you guys, it's gonna be a first impression, not for me. These shadows are really pretty. I really do like them. This is the number 9, and this looks like a Korean brand and everything else. But this is what it looks like. At the back, so I don't know what languages is or everything else. I think it's Korean, Thailand, it could be Japanese, Chinese, Mandarin. I don't know. I don't speak that language, which I'm gonna try to learn a new language sooner or later. I know some French and I know some Spanish, but don't know other languages. But yeah, I'm gonna try this out and we'll see if I can do more with this. Last night I should say, I did try all of these out, but the look came out weird. So I'm not gonna do what I did last time, but we're going to have something similar because I really want to try out that glitter, see how it works and everything. If it's of course I will put the price up here and everything else, so you guys can see how much. Of course I'll put the link down below so you guys know where you can get it if you want this palette. They have other ones, they have blushes, which hopefully my next Amazon haul would come, because I'm not going to show all the products I got because I am planning to do a video of first impressions and try new products on that video, because I do have an Ulta haul coming in. It's a very small one, but I just said, you know what, before I try any of the products out, I'm gonna try this one out because this is the one I really want to show you. Of course I didn't do my face, but yeah. So we're gonna see how this goes. Now, I think I'm gonna do my fun stuff. I finally found my switcheroo thing, switch brush thing. I call it switcheroo because I don't know why, but I think it's kind of funny. So I'm going to use this bright yellow right here, just to a little bit of contour, put some color right here. And like I said, this is a really pretty color story. This is something unique. This is not something I have in my collection. So, as you can see, it's really good pigmentation right here. So I might do a cut crease, so that might happen. That's what I did, and I don't know what happened. Of course, all the audio for this was totally messed up, and I'm gonna keep on blending this out. So, you guys see, I'm looking down a little bit, but we're gonna see what we can do here. Okay, I'm gonna use this lavender color. This is such a pretty lavender right here. And what I'm gonna do, hopefully just let that just to peek a little bit. Because I am wearing purple today. And don't worry, it's not like really short, it's just past the little my shoe. Past my underarm. So what I'm going to do is going to use this shade right here, which is a really pretty color. As you can see, there's not much kick up or anything like that. Which is, if it did, it won't be a deal breaker. It will not be a deal breaker. If it's a lot of kickback and everything that has no pigmentation, that's a deal breaker for me. But most of this stuff doesn't. So what I see is I'm going to close my eyes right here because I am defining it a little bit. And giving it a little more of a definition. This shade right here, it has all the sparkles in it, but it's like more matte. So the sequin ones. So we're gonna do this, see if we can. Because this is me trying different Lash. I see how they work. This is a weird. This is like, that's not something I would use. Oh, like these colors together. But it's not really. Now I wish it had a dark. It does have a dark one. But I'm just. I'm filling this up. Okay, I'm going to use this shade right here. It's the same consistency as that purple shade. It is up a little bit. This one has a little bit. And I'm going to put it. Something like that. Like I said, I'm just filling these shades up. See how they work. Feel like this. The next one. I think this would be like a nice You definitely have a white base. This shade, really pretty. Because I did pack it on, so we're gonna do that color did have a little bit of fall, but it's the brush I use and everything else. So what we're gonna do, I am gonna clean that up eventually, but I'm gonna do this the other eye and just finish up my face, and of course I'm gonna pick the lipstick out, and then we're gonna do the lower lash line to see how this will come out, because I actually like this way. And don't worry, I'm gonna angle this out like that way, so it doesn't look like completely weird. So I'll be right back, and yeah. Okay guys, I finished my look and everything. The only thing I didn't do was my mascara and my lash line, because this is a lot of pretty. So I actually like this color. So I'm going to use this shade right here just to go really close to the lash line and just try to smoke it up a little bit. Hopefully I didn't go wrong. So if my hair doesn't poke in the eye. Okay guys, I kind of finished that up. I really don't want to go further and everything else because I really don't want to mess this up because that's super glam. I really do like these. So, let's say this. Okay. This is really pretty when it's on top of white, and it's like so pretty. It's like, oh, I love it. This shade's really pretty. It's a really good pretty color. Like, I like how it just like adds that, like the brightness. Now you do have to keep on blending and pack it on, which is fine by me because yes, some pigments or eyeshadows are easy to blend. Sorry, my cat's just sneezing. Easy to blend, and I feel like both of my face sides are like two different sides. I don't know. At the point I don't care anymore. Like, I know I understand eyeshadows can be easy to blend with red punch and everything else, but you really do have to pack it on, which, like I said, it's not a big deal because I can gradually blend it in how I want it instead of intensifying it and just like, whoa, I don't want this much. This yellow was pretty good. This color, it would actually warm this up. Like, there's not much of a difference when it blends out, I've noticed, but to make it a little bit warmer, I would definitely just do that. Just make it a little bit warmer and everything else. This shade, it really packed a punch. It did have a little bit of fallout, but it's because I used a more of a denser brush than I normally would if I just use a more fluffy one. It wouldn't have much fallout, but I used a little dense one to help it blend and pack it on. I didn't use this shadow, but I did use it last night. This is pretty good shadow. Sorry. This is a pretty good shadow. I really do like that. I did use this one too. This was really pretty. Haven't used the glitter, which it would be pretty cool if I did that. I think I would just use these two and just to flatten that shape up some and do it that way. That I would have done. But the pigmentation is there. It's something I really do enjoy. This is something out of my comfort zone. Like, I can see me using 3 shades, but multiple like this. I tell the truth, I don't know what I used the yellow for. I don't know. In that dark shade, but it did help it blend. I think it did help it blend. If I did it a different way, it might come out a little bit different. But I don't know why I used that darker purple. But I do like it. I mean, it did intensify it a little bit, but that make the shade a little bit darker. But that's about it. Like, this is such a pretty look already. Just using those, like I said, doing a cut crease and then doing what I did. I will put the where I got it from on Amazon, so you guys can check it out if you want to check out more of this brand. I think it's a really cool brand. Really do like it. It is cruelty free. Like, I cannot stop looking at myself. Oh, the confidence. You know, confidence. Like, I love the shirt I'm wearing, but so not used to the shirt. But yeah, guys, if you like this video, you want to see more videos like this, where I just try new brands from Amazon and everything else, and see if it would be beneficial for you guys or not. I'd rather spend the money than you. To us, it's not that, but you get to see how it looks and everything else. So, of course, if you do like this look, you want to see more brands that you want me to try out, comment down below. And of course, guys, if you haven't been part of the Makeup Addict family, you will finish this video and say, hey, I like this girl. I like her makeup. And I like the cat that I have right here. She has a beautiful cat. Like, you can watch her. If you like cats, you just want to watch just me just want to see the cat how she sleeps. Subscribe button. You know, you never know. This is a judgment-free zone. This is also a drama-free zone. So we don't put up with all that crap. We're here to welcome people and love people. And of course, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. And guys, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. And remember, you're beautiful, you're gorgeous, you're one of a kind. And guys, I love you.